Today we'll be previewing yet another beautiful classic Mustang here at Autoworld of Conway. This particular model, as you see my shadow pass in front of the camera, is a 1966 C-Code 289 Mustang Coupe. This car hails out of Kansas City, Missouri. So we source cars all over the country, and that's where this car was born or delivered to. New DSO. See the 14-inch white wall tires on factory hubcaps. So this car is a well-preserved car, not perfect. You see a little tiny scratch there. I don't know if we can see it. There we go. It presents extremely well. Well-optioned car, including air conditioning. We'll get to under the hood here in just a moment. And here is one little mark there. Now this is Arcadia blue. Some people call it robin's egg blue, tar heel blue, powder blue. No matter what you call it, I call it absolutely beautiful. Dual exhaust here in the back. It appears that the paint, you can see it's starting to show some age. I don't know if it's going to pick up in this video or not. I'll try to do that. It has a great shine, and I don't see any rust in the back window or other areas. One little spot there in front of the passenger rear wheel. Still in great condition. Running pony, you can see here on the fender badging, and again, nice and straight. So I've personally driven this car, and you'll see also in the driving video here in a moment how well-mannered and easy she is to drive. See the circular gauge cluster, which is indicative of 66 only. Many of your Fords have that same feature. AM radio, which actually functions. The local gospel station was loud and proud this morning. And standard bucket seats with the console and air conditioning. Here's your trim tag, which tells you that this was the original color. Automatic transmission with standard interior. A great little pony car. So we'll take a look under the hood. Difficult to do with one hand, but we got it here. So this car has power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. Stock manifolds. And you can see some maintenance items completed over the years. Let's see what she sounds like. So you can see that all the gauges do function properly. Fuel gauge, plenty of oil pressure. Now it is warm as I've been driving it today. The 18,000 miles, obviously not 18,000, but 118,000. Another feature not many people know, the 66 glove boxes are flat. The earlier cars were concave. The interior here, nice headliner. an argument that this is original paint, survivor quality paint, but after very close inspection, it appears that maybe it's just that old, or it had some touch-up. But it does look good. Nice and clean. We'll go back to the trunk area. Again, the purpose of these videos is for full transparency for our customers, as we ship cars all over the world. Many of these, believe it or not, end up in Europe. The demand is very high. Now look, all of the factory stampings are in the front fenders, rear quarter panels, so I don't see any evidence that panels have been replaced. Factory seams to me, and probably the original trunk mat, which is old and dusty. New gas tank that was done prior to us. Again, stains, but I don't see rust. This color really does show everything that way. Oh, just noticed a cruiser console from the 80s there. I wonder what's on that piece of paper. And factory 14-inch spare with a nylon tire. I hope you've enjoyed the walk around this beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang convertible. We've got Coupe here at Autoworld of Conway, where we have good cars for good people.